We are the German-Australian Chamber of Industry and Commerce here in Australia, have been here for almost 40 years. We represent about 400 German and Australian companies doing business bilaterally, and a total of about 750 German companies that are located in Australia. We're part of a worldwide network of over 130 German chambers abroad, and have over 5,000 member companies together with our friends abroad. We're excited about the Automation and Innovation Summit in May because it does shine a spotlight on the importance of innovation, especially in the manufacturing sector in Australia. And for us as a German entity, we do believe that the manufacturing sector is something that all governments need to focus on, and Australia will be a stronger economy if we actually foster innovation through collaboration together with many of the German companies and the German government to produce more innovative and efficient goods through the use of what we call Industry 4.0, Internet of Things, and just a smarter way of working at the end of the day. This also encompasses us focusing on training the next generation of workforce to allow us to actually utilize all these smart technologies that will make our manufacturing smarter and more efficient in the long run. And so for us as a chamber, we're very excited that this conference will be here this year, and to support it through our network, through our member network, and with many of those German companies that are intimately involved with innovation and automation as well. Again, for us representing a large number of manufacturing companies here in Australia, we do believe it's really important that the government also focuses its effort, as it has through the new innovation statement, in those existing companies that have created thousands and thousands of jobs across Australia, to protect these jobs by making these companies more agile and allowing us to develop new markets, export markets for many of the close countries around the Asia Pacific that Australia could serve if we upskill, if we have the incentives to really grow and become more innovative manufacturing businesses. So it's a very important part of the entire innovation statement to focus on those existing companies, manufacturing businesses that are in Australia, and how to help them and incentivize them to become more innovative and to invest in automation and make their processes smarter and better to be competitive in the global market. Also from a German point of view, it's important to look at the opportunities that the defense sector presents for especially advanced manufacturing in Australia. We have the opportunity that over the next 30 to 50 years, some of these defense projects, and most importantly, the one that we talk about is the submarine project, will create sustainable manufacturing jobs that will also bring skills to Australia and maintain skills in Australia, also in some of the areas that have been the hardest hit by the downturn in the automotive industry and the steelmaking industry and the maritime sector. So certainly we see that Industry 4.0, smart and advanced manufacturing present incredible opportunities for the Australian manufacturing sector to maintain these skills, to build these skills through the defense procurement process that's happening right now. So we are very happy to be part of the Automation Innovation Summit on May 25th here in Sydney. Excited to be part of this great event and be part of the networking, so that together with our German partners and also our members who are part of this summit, we can advance the discussion on smart manufacturing, advanced manufacturing here in Australia.